The 1959 Cheetah Transporter stands as one of automotive history's most ambitious creations, born from Norman Holtkamp's vision to build the world's fastest race car hauler. This extraordinary machine emerged from his fascination with Mercedes-Benz's revolutionary Renntransporter, which could carry Grand Prix cars at 105 miles per hour. Holtkamp, a Volkswagen and Porsche dealer from Inglewood, California, began his project around 1958 using a crashed Mercedes-Benz W188 300S chassis, chosen for its load-leveling suspension system. He dramatically shortened the wheelbase from 110 inches to just 94 inches and extended the frame forward of the front axle to create the distinctive cantilevered cabin design. The powertrain departed significantly from the Mercedes original. Holtkamp installed a tuned 283 cubic inch Corvette V8 producing 300 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission designed to achieve speeds of 112 miles per hour. Holtkamp acquired a complete El Camino cab directly from General Motors' Van Nuys assembly plant, then commissioned renowned fabricators Dick Troutman and Dick Barnes to create the remainder. Working from Dave Deal's design, they hand-formed aluminum panels for the nose section and entire body aft of the cab, creating a fully enclosed cargo area with 150 cubic feet of space. The Transporter featured dual 24-gallon fuel tanks, a massive water ballast tank, and custom aluminum ramps with an integrated winch system. The entire body was designed for quick removal, with panels coming off in as little as 7 minutes. Completed around 1961, the Cheetah Transporter earned a car and driver cover feature. Despite its $16,000 price tag, production plans never materialized. Holtkamp used it to haul race cars to Southern California tracks, but the extreme design created serious stability problems. The short wheelbase made it prone to dangerous nosediving incidents during braking, with one documented case where the rear wheels lifted so high the nose struck pavement. After accumulating only 3,000 miles, Holtkamp began modifying the Transporter in the late 1960s, removing the Troutman Barnes bodywork and extending the wheelbase to 124 inches. Before completing these modifications, he sold the unfinished project to Dean Moon, the legendary speed parts manufacturer. Moon planned to complete the conversion and upgrade to disc brakes through Hurst Earhart. During the February 1971 San Fernando earthquake, the Hearst building collapsed around the Transporter. Miraculously, the vehicle emerged with only a small dent, but the brake conversion was never completed. The Cheetah sat on jack stands outside Moon's Santa Fe Springs shop for 18 years until his death in 1987. Race car collector Jim Degnan acquired it, installing a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet engine and making it roadworthy. In December 2006, Florida collector Geoff Hacker purchased the Transporter. After years of research, Hacker recently committed to restoring the vehicle to its original short wheelbase configuration at JR's Speed Shop in Venice, Florida. Unlike its Mercedes inspiration, which was scrapped, the Cheetah Transporter survived to tell its story. The restoration will return this remarkable machine to its original glory, complete with the stunning Troutman Barnes bodywork that made it an icon of 1960s racing culture.